someone just posted a great review about us, and we wanted to share their fantastic feedback with you. We love telling everyone about it because our goal is to provide every individual with a 5-star experience. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.